Chapter 1. The Computer System. In this lesson, we will learn about the three main units of a computer system: hardware and software, secondary storage.
Yippee! Here's my new computer Scrabble game.
Did you know your computer Scrabble game is actually a software?
Software? Software?
Yes, let's learn about it today. The computer system. The different parts of a computer make up the computer system. The computer system consists of three main units: the input unit, the processing unit, the output unit. The input unit. Devices that help us to enter data and instructions into the computer are known as input devices. Data is a collection of facts. For example, addresses and telephone numbers are some personal data that can be entered into a computer with the help of input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone are input devices. The processing unit. The central processing unit, or CPU, as it is commonly called, is the processing unit of the computer. It is therefore called the brain of the computer. The CPU is placed inside a case known as the CPU case. The method by which the CPU changes data into information is known as processing. The output unit. The monitor, printer, speakers, and headphones are some output devices of the computer. These devices generate the results of processing. The output unit consists of all the output devices connected to the computer. Along with the monitor, the computer shown below has a printer and speakers connected to it. Together, these parts make up the output unit of the computer system. Secondary storage. Often we need to store the results of processing so that we can use them later. We use hard disk, CD-ROMs, DVDs for this purpose. These are secondary storage media. A device that holds data is a storage medium. The device that saves data on storage medium is called a storage device. The hard disk drive is a storage device, while the hard disk is a storage medium. Secondary storage devices refer to all the devices that are used for storing data. Hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, and pen drive are examples of secondary storage media. The hard disk inside the CPU case can store a large amount of data. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. It looks like a music or movie CD. It can store sound, pictures, programs, and videos. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. It looks like a CD but can store more information than a CD. A pen drive is small in size and can be easily carried anywhere. It is used to store data and transfer it from one computer to another. Hardware and software. Hardware. The parts of the computer that we can touch and feel are its hardware. It refers to the physical parts of a computer system. They may be present outside or inside the computer. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU are some computer hardware. Software. Hardware alone cannot make a computer work. It needs software to make it functional. In order to understand what software is, we need to understand the term computer program. A set of step-by-step instructions that allows the computer to perform a task is called a computer program. A programmer is the person who writes computer programs to make the computer work. Software is a set of instructions or programs given to a computer to perform a task. We cannot touch or feel the software of a computer. Two commonly used computer programs are MS Paint to draw and color pictures on the computer and Logo, which is used to draw simple figures. Software or programs can be stored in the hard disk, CD-ROMs, and pen drives. We use these programs to work on the computer. The hardware helps us to run these programs and view the final results. Thus, to be able to function, a computer needs both the hardware and the software. Sum up. An input device is a device used to enter data into a computer system. An output device is a device that displays the result of processing. All the input devices connected to a computer make up its input unit. All the output devices connected to a computer make up its output unit. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer system.